Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes OBS Studio fix black screen in game capture or display in capture issue. Right-click OBS Studio, click Open File Location. Right-click OBS64.exe. Click Properties. Click Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode 4. Select Windows 7. Check Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, OK. Close and try to open OBS Studio software. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.